Hello students, in the last video we did how to convert days into hours and hours into minutes. Now we have the next topic, conversion of time from 12 hours clock to the 24-hour clock. Children, this is not in your book but it is mentioned in your syllabus book, so we are doing this. We have to understand this very carefully. See children, the 24-hour clock we have not seen, but you can see this in your mobile phones. The digital clocks are also such. Okay, in your timetable of your trains and airplanes, we see this type of timings. Okay children, to understand this, it is your normal clock which shows the numbers till 12. Okay, after 12 we get 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and then again 12, then starts from 1 again. But in the 24-hour clock we consider this as 24 hours of the day. Okay, the 12 midnight is denoted as 2400 hours time. Okay, then from 12 midnight a new day starts, which starts from 1 hour, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, like this we go till 12 noon. Okay, when we reach this 12 noon, we get 13 hours as the next time. 14 hours, 15 hours, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, then again 24. Now, this 24 hour is the midnight, 12 midnight, and it is represented as 2400 hours or 0000 hours. Okay children, you have to remember that 12 noon, after 12 noon the time is 13, 14, like this it goes on till 12, 24. Okay, till 12 midnight we can say. Now this side from 24 to 12 noon we can compare it with AM, and the other side we can compare with PM, or we can say that after 12 midnight we start with the other day, we start with the new day, and after 12 noon we write PM with the time, and it is taken as afternoon time or evening time. Okay, now related to that we have some points written over here. Here the first point is 12 midnight is written as 2400 hours or 0000 hours. Then we have 12 noon is written as 1200 hours. Now the number formed is of 4 digits children, and here the first 2 digits from the left are hour side and the last 2 digits are minute side. Now if the numeral formed by the first 2 digits from the left is less than 12, mean this side, if it is less than 12 then we'll write AM with that, with the time. Then if this one is formed by the first 2 digits from the left is between 13 and 24, then we'll write PM. Okay, now we have next one, if it is 12 then we'll write PM, but the number will not change. So it is written if the numeral formed by the first 2 digits from the left is 12, then PM is written, but the number will not change. When you will do the questions related to this, the topic will get more clear to you. So let us do the question answers now. Here we have the exercise related to this. Change in 24-hour clock. Okay, means 12-hour time is given to you and you have to change in 24-hour clock time. See children, when AM is written with this, like some of the questions will be having AM or PM with them. When AM is written, then we will not change the time. Like if it is AM here, then time will be 115 as it is, but we have to write it in 4 digits, so we are putting 0 in the beginning of the number, and simply we'll write hours. We'll not write AM or PM with this when we change it into 24-hour clock. And when it is PM written with the time, then we will add 12 to the hour side. Hour wali side pe we have to add 12. Like here it is written PM, so we'll add 12 to this 3. 3 plus 12 it will be 15, and minute side will remain as it is, and PM will be changed into hours. Okay, now we have some of the questions. A part is 12 midnight. 12 midnight, as we have already done in other points which we did in just before this, it is 2400 hours or 0000 hours. 12 noon is written as 1200 hours. C part is 1:15 a.m. Now it is a.m. with this, so we'll not change the number. We'll just write it as it is, and a.m. will change into hours. D part is 3:40 p.m. 3:40 p.m. is written, means we'll add 12 to this number. 3 plus 12 will be 15. 15:40 hours. Now E part is 6:15 a.m. which will not change as it is a.m. written over here. So it will be 06:15 hours. F part is 8:35 p.m. p.m. is written, it means 12 will be added to the hour side. Do it yourself, children. Now here is a special case. See children, here p.m. is written but it is 12 here. So we will not change this. We will just write hours in place of p.m. When it is 12 here, we will not change the number. We will just write hours and keep the number as it is. This is a special case. Now next question is change to 12-hour clock time. So it is given in hours, means it is given in 24-hour time. We have to change in 12-hour clock. If time is less than or equal to 12, then no change will be there. But if the time is more than 12, then we have to subtract 12 from the hour side. Now we have first example 01:1 or 01:12 hours it given. Now it is 1 means less than 12. So there will be no any change. So we'll write it 1 dot dot we have to put. When we write the time in 12-hour clock time, we put dot dot. Now this hours we have to write in this place. We will write AM or PM according to the number. Now children, as we can draw this 24-hour clock, simply just for your memory I am drawing it, and just divide it into two parts. This side is AM side and this side is PM side. Okay. Here from this 12 midnight, the days start with the time 1, 2, 3, 4 until 12 noon it goes like this only. Means the time which is before this 12 noon will be of AM place. So we'll write AM here. A dot M dot. Okay. Now it is 24 hours. I have told you already that 24:00 hours is the midnight time. 12 midnight. Directly we can write this. Now in the next question we have 1750 hours. 1750 means this part, our side, is greater than 12. So we'll subtract 12 from this. So after 12, 17 comes at 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. After 5 numbers it comes. So it will be 5 dot dot 50. And what we are going to write with this unit, what it will be. Now this 17, you see which at which place it lies. It is in this side. Na? After 12 only it will come. It is the PM side. So we'll write it in P dot M dot. Now it is equal to 12. So what will you do? It will be no any change, but we will write PM with this. So 12:50 PM. Okay, as 12 noon ke baad it will be after 12 noon. 12:50 will be after 12 noon. So PM will write, but there will be no any change in the number. Now 1800 or 1800 hours you have to write yourself. 5:55 hours you have to write yourself. Now here are some extra questions. Like one is, what is calendar? A tool which shows days, dates and months. Then what is a leap year? A year with 366 days, and it comes after every 4 years. Now some more things which can come as a fill up. 1 week is equal to 7 days. 1 year is equal to 365 or 366 days. 1 year is equal to 12 months. 1 year is equal to 52 weeks also. 1 decade is equal to 10 years. 1 century is equal to 100 years. 1 month, it can be 30 or 31 days. February has dash days in a leap year, 29. Now one more thing in your syllabus, write as AM or PM. See, a time will be given to you. You have to write it in numbers and write here AM with this. Because it is written write as AM, so AM only will be written with this. Just change these words into numbers. 3:15. 3:15 means 15 minutes has passed after 3. So it will be 3:15 AM. 5:10. 5:10 means 10 minutes passed. So in the minute side we will write 10. 5 will be written in the hour side and AM you have to write with this. Then quarter to 9, half past 7, 7 o'clock you have to write yourself. Next question is write as PM. Here also time is given in words. 15 minutes past 9 mean in the minute side you will write 15, 9 in the hour side, and what you will write with this PM. 15 minutes to 3 means still there is time to go 3, so it will be 2:45 PM. Half past 2, 30 minutes past 4 you have to do yourself. Now this chapter is finished, children. Do it carefully. Practice it hard. Bye bye.